So today we're gonna be carbonating milk. Actually, this time I got the stuff you need. Actually, I'll just pick this whole thing up. Ugh. So we got the canister, and we got the hose, and then we got this, which is the carbonator cap. Actually, it's the hose ball lock. So you take this hose and then you attach it to this thingy, and then we got this carbonator cap, and you just kind of pop it on there, and then you put that onto the 2-liter bottle, and yeah, I got, oh, not a 2-liter, but with the fitting, right? So this was I tested it with this last night. It was a Minute Maid kiwi strawberry punch, and carbonated. It's really good. It's soda essentially. So essentially, this is like screw SodaStream basically. I got an industrial soda stream now. Oh damn. Okay, yeah. So what you do is you take the cap, take that off, replace it with the carbonator cap, and then basically it's really simple actually. You just put liquid in here, keep the headspace kind of empty, and then you squeeze out the air, put the cap on, pressurize with carbon dioxide, and then yeah, you should get carbonated drink. But we're carbonating milk. Actually, I got chocolate milk, so it's probably going to be even more disgusting. But I'm going to get it ready. All right, so we got that, and so you can see this is it's pretty tight, and it has a valve right there where when it gets pressed in, it creates a channel for the air to flow through, the gas to flow through. And oh, looks like the Zoom is starting over. Yeah, so here we go. I'm gonna squeeze out all the air as much as possible. All right. So we got skinny boy right here. Okay. Okay, doke. All right. So we got. Oh man, my neck is going crazy right now. That's pretty sick. I didn't even. This isn't even green. This is blue. I guess it looks green in this light. Anyway, here we go. So there's really nothing to this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop on the cap. And then what I want to do is actually yeah, I'm going to come out here a little bit, and then I let the CO2 out just a little bit. Alright, so now it's pressurized, and now I can start. Here, I want to show you this while I do this. Yeah. Let's hold it up, and it's going to inflate. Alright, and then I want to release the pressure enough so that it gets up to about 30 psi. We are leaking some gas, but that's okay. Alright, so we're at about 30 psi now. So this is charged with pressure, and the thing that's cool about this carbonator cap system is now I can just pop it off. And now it's off, and now it's pressurized. I need to tighten this shit. I need to stop cursing. Alright, so then you literally just shake it a little bit, try to get the gas to dissolve into the milk. Alright. And then, I didn't promote this one, so there's like nobody here. So you're getting the show that everybody's been promised for weeks. You are gonna see it firsthand. I wanna get a wrench and ratchet that down. It's okay. It's fine. It's not leaking that much. I forgot that milk gets really frothy. So this is just gonna stay. It's probably gonna foam up like immediately. Oh, it's already doing that. It's gonna be like a milkshake. You shouldn't point that at your face. You should point it away from your face. Alright, so then what you want to do, you gotta like charge it a few times. So I'm gonna put this back on. And it repressurizes back to 30 psi. Just gonna let it do its thing for a sec. Kind of equalize. Once it stops vibrating, I'm gonna stop. Alright. Same thing. I'm gonna put this back down to like 20 psi and just kind of let it sit for a few minutes. Oh, whoops. Okay, I'll leave it right there. And I'm gonna put this to the side. While I focus. Oh, whoa, shit. Let that go. I'm just gonna take that off. Shut off the CO2 valve. Alright, so that's not gonna explode. I'm much less shifty about all this now that I've worked with the CO2 for a little while. I had never really worked with pressurized gas before, but now I kind of have an idea of just how it works and the fact that it's like not going to kill me. So I'm going to do this very slowly and let the pressure out. Kind of scared. Oh, whoa. Oh, and you can see the bubbles are immediately expanding. Oh yeah, I didn't think about this because it's milk, so it's gonna froth and it's gonna bubble and froth at the same time. Oh god, this is gonna like it's gonna keep coming out. So I want to actually, I have a pan here. There's a very convenient pan right here. So I'm gonna do this over the pan. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's literally just gonna come out. Okay. Hold on, plan B. We're gonna do this on the table. And actually I have absorbent puppy pads that I can put down so that we can do this better. I wonder how long it's actually gonna be frothing. That's the real experiment here. Okay. This is actually going to be much more exciting than I thought it was. Alright, so we've got our camera here set up. I'm going to put gloves on because this is going to get sticky. Alright. They're not that big. So we have... I'm going to kind of reiterate everything here because I'm recording it and I want everyone to be caught up when I put this on YouTube. So we have a pretty highly pressurized bottle of chocolate milk charged with carbon dioxide, and this is the culmination of weeks of planning. And you know what? I'm just gonna let it all out. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, it just keeps coming out, kinda. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like an ice cream soda, or like an ice cream float, because it's got that carbon dioxide soda flavor, but in a creamy vehicle. Yeah, ice cream soda is exactly what it tastes like. Excuse me. I'm gonna get some paper towels and wipe this up. I like inhaled the milk bubbles, so I'm coughing. And then I want to get a good drink of the actual liquid. I do see carbonation bubbles actually forming here. So, let me give a review. What the hell? That is so weird. Because it's completely transformed the drink. Chocolate milk does not have that soda bite to it. And when you taste this and you taste that carbonated, specific carbon acid flavor, you realize just how much that contributes to the experience of drinking a soda. Because this is literally milk soda, and it tastes like a soda. It's not just bubbles, it's actual flavor. So when you dissolve the CO2 into a drink, it actually is flavoring the drink like carbon dioxide, which has, or it's not really the carbon dioxide that has a flavor, it's the carbonic acid that and the carbonate, that gets pushed into the solution. Totally weird. Totally went better than I expected. That was really good, actually. I kind of like it. I might do this again on my own time. But this has me thinking it would be fun to do a reverse root beer float. So what I'm thinking is you make a root beer sorbet. So an icy sorbet dessert flavored with root beer, and then you make this, but with you could do chocolate ice cream. There's no reason you can't do, or chocolate milk. There's no reason you can't make a chocolate root beer float. But I think you should make vanilla milk and then carbonate that, so that you have a vanilla milk soda and then root beer flavored sorbet on top. That actually is a really good idea, and I think you could sell that at some dumb restaurant. They can be like, oh, we have a deconstructed root beer float, an inverted root beer float. Alright, nobody better steal that idea. If you do, you owe me royalties. I will sue you. Um, See, I keep coming back to it. It really completely transformed the flavor, and I'm shocked by that. I did not expect that. I thought it would just be bubbly milk, but no, it tastes completely different.